Alrighty, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about discussions. And there's three different ways I'm going to show you how to create these discussion boards. And before we start, got to throw out some terms. So the first one is a forum, and you have a topic, and then you have a thread. So the forum is like the overarching thing that contains all of the different topics, and then you create threads inside of those topics that you can discuss. So let's go over here to the learning path, and let's say we want to have a discussion in week 1 that allows people to talk about, I don't know, whatever you want. So the first thing we have to do, if you haven't created one already, is we have to create a forum. So we're going to go to Instructor Tools, Course Admin, scroll down here, and we're going to go to Discussions. Okay, I don't have anything here, so I'm going to go New Forum. If you do not have a forum, you won't be able to make anything. You won't be able to make a topic. You won't be able to start a thread because it won't work. So to me, the thing that makes the most sense, and you may be different, is I'm just going to create a forum for the whole class. So I can create multiple topics if I want to, but it's going to be under this umbrella of the whole course. If you want to create a forum and have it be, a forum for each week, go for it. But to me, it makes the most sense to just have a forum for the whole course. Okay, and then I can create a new topic in this forum with the same title, which I'm not going to do because I'm probably going to have multiple topics in here, and I don't really want to mess with that. So I'll just say forum for whole course. Okay, we can come over here, and there's a bunch of options. So do we want people to be able to post anonymously? I don't, because if someone's a jerk or someone posts something they shouldn't, I want to be able to know who it was. I'm not going to approve every post. That would be a ridiculous amount of work. This is one, I kind of like this. This is basically forcing people to participate before they can reply to other people's posts. So this is basically saying they need to start a thread before they can reply or create or can read and reply to other threads. So this would be good for, I don't know, maybe sketches, or they're posting their project or something, and they have to post first before they can then start participating and talking with other people. And then we can display the forum description and topics. I don't really want that to be there, so I'm good. Okay, availability is just when you want the form to be available. I'm just going to say it's always visible, but if maybe you're only doing it for a week, well, you can say it's visible for a specific amount of time, or you can just hide it if you want, if you're done with it. Locking is good where maybe you want people to go back and be able to read everything that was posted, but you don't want them to be able to post anymore. So you can lock the forum that way. All right, so usually what you're going to want to do is do save and add topic, because you can't, the forum by itself is pretty worthless. You need to be able to add a topic so you can start doing it. But I'm going to hit save and close for now because I want to show you where we're at. So now I'm under that discussions thing. Remember, I went to course admin and I went down here to discussions. So here we are. I have that one forum, but there's really nothing there. So I can click this and do add topic. Okay, or I can go new topic. Either one works. So I'm going to add a topic to this. And maybe I'm going to say week 1 project. And then I'll say, post your project here. Okay, over here it's going to ask what forum. I've only created that one forum, so we're good. But also, say you forgot to create a forum. Well, when you're creating that new topic, you're able to create the new forum here from here as well, which is pretty slick. So I do that. I don't want to do any of these. You're able to say if you want people to be able to rate the ratings, you could throw that in your class somehow. Be like, all right, guys, I want you to rate everyone's post, and whoever gets the highest post, I don't know, is master for the week or something. Who knows? They'll get extra credit, whatever you want to do there. But you're able to rate the post. You can do it with 5-star, up or down voting, or just up vote only, because maybe you don't want people to be mean to each other. So no down votes. Okay, availability, same thing. Just when you want this topic, this isn't the forum anymore. It's when we want the topic to be available. If you want to unlock it, lock it, any of that stuff. So I'm going to do save and close. Okay, so now that we have the forum created and now we have the topic under that forum created, um, we can add it to our course. So let's do that. Head over here. So I want this to be on week 1. So I'm on week 1. I'm going to do existing activities, and it is a discussion. Oh, there it is. So I'm going to click on it. There's the topic under that forum. And then there we go. Now let's take a look, just because I want you to see what it looks like if I was a student. So I'm going to hop into Learning Path, head over here to week 1, go under the week 1 project. Now, I don't have anything to mess with because it says there's no threads in this topic. So it's kind of a three-step three-step process here. Is we got to do the forum, we got to do the topic, and then we got to do a thread in that topic. So we got to do that. So I'm going to hop back, go to the Learning Path. Now I can click on this, and click on the topic, and then I can start the new thread. So I can say post your projects. Be sure to be nice. Okay, I can add attachments if I want. I think pinning the thread means so the thread is always on top. So as people post more threads, it's always on top. That's my guess there. You can come over here. That's really, you change how it's filtered, how it's sorted. It's really, and then this will kind of give you an idea of what the options are for the forum. All right, and so you can always go in there and change them later if you want. All right, so I'll hit post. Okay, so now if I come back out here and I go to week 1, there's the week 1 project. Okay, now there's this thread here where people can reply to them. So now if I hop back as a student, we can take a look at what that looks like. So we go to week 1, there it is, we click on it, and now they see this thread that they're able to go into. So they click into it, and now they can reply. So that's the first way. Okay, that's under the course admin and then going under discussions. So another way, so we can go to Learning Path, and we're in week 1 here. Oh, I'm still viewing as a student, so let me get out of that. Okay, we can go to week 1, and then we can just do upload or create. So I'm going to create a discussion. Now I can pick which forum I want it to be in, or I can choose the new forum. I want it to just be under the same forum because that's for the whole course. And then I could say, yeah, I don't know, I guess upload sketches, or well, I don't know, introduce yourself. This would be good for an online course. Post, we're over here, post the following about yourself. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then I hit publish. Okay, now again, we just created the topic because the forum's done. So now we have a week 1 project topic, and we have an introduce yourself topic. And again, if I view a student, I shouldn't be able to do anything there yet. So I go into introduce yourself. Yep, I'm not able to do anything because there's no thread. So I got to create that as the instructor. Okay, so we come over here, introduce yourself, start a new thread, and then I could say post here, and then I can start talking about myself. Hi, I'm Dave, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's the other way, is just doing it in Learning Path, right? We just do upload, create, and then we throw it in there. The other way, and this is kind of, I don't know, probably my preferred way, we can go to course admin again, and then if you watch the course builder video, we kind of already saw this, but I can go into course builder and I can go, okay, I want a discussion placeholder inside of week 1. Okay, and I'm just going to call it, I don't know, favorite things. I don't know if I need anything here in the notes. I'll just hit create. Okay, and then I come down here and then I put it in. Okay, make sure I select that same forum, description, whatever, favorite things. Now this is cool here because now I can actually choose the grade item. So I'm able to just throw it into, and I guess that's kind of why I like this, is right here, you're able to throw it into the gradebook. Remember, whenever you see choose a grade item, that's basically saying, hey, do you want to put it in the gradebook or not? So I can say, yeah, I definitely want to do that. So I'm going to say favorite things discussion, category. I don't want to give it a category. Points, 50 points. Rest of that stuff I don't really care about. And then I'm just going to hit create. All right, so now that just put it inside the gradebook. Score out of 50. All this other stuff that we had with the other things. Okay, no ratings, it's always visible. I hit create. And that's kind of the cool thing here, is you can kind of do it all in one little area, where with the other ones, you're kind of going from these different, you're going from window to window, and I'm not really a huge fan of that. But anyway, so now I can come here, post your favorite things here. We click on it. Okay, then I can start the new thread. So then students are able to do whatever they want to do there. Now, then that obviously brings up the question. Well, it's like, okay, well, you're easily able to add it to the gradebook here because you use the course builder. But what about these? Well, this is where we can go. Let's see, we're going to go to, I don't think we can do it from here. Yeah, that's not what we want. So we're going to go instructor tools, course admin, head over to discussions again. Okay, and now we're going to get to them here and see that includes assessment. That's telling that it's in the gradebook. So now we can click here and we're going to edit topic. So as you're going through and you're creating all this stuff, you got to remember to go over to the assessment tab, and then we can choose the grade item from here. So I can do new grade item, introduce yourself, category none, 50 points, all that other stuff, and hit save. And we come down here, save and close. Oops, we got to do the score out of 50 points as well. Okay, now you can see that that includes assessment as well. So, like I said, my favorite way is the course builder because you can just click and drag, you do everything in one sweep, or here it's just a bunch of different clicking around, but you pick. You got the course builder, you have the discussion area, or you can do it from the learning path, either way. But anyways, hope that helped with the discussions. Good way to get students to start talking, but good luck, guys. We'll talk to you later.